Welcome to the English class of Miss Amita. In this video, we will learn about nouns, number, that is singular and plural nouns. We have learnt earlier that countable nouns can be singular or plural. So, when we talk about nouns number, we talk about countable nouns. When one person or thing is being spoken about, the noun used is singular, and when more than one person or thing is being spoken about, the noun used is plural. Most of the plural forms can be obtained by adding suffix s or es to singular nouns. Say for example, the plural form of car is cars, pencil is pencils, fruit is fruits, bus is buses. Now let us see where to add s and where to add es. For words ending with letter s, we have to add es to make it plural. Say for example, bus, buses. For the words that end with letters sh, we have to add es. Say for example, dish. Dish ends with the letters sh. There we have to add es to make it plural. So dish, dishes. Words ending with letters double s. There also we need to add es to make it plural. Say for example, pass, passes, pass, singular form, passes, plural form. For the words ending with letter ch also, we need to add es. For example, inch, inches. And last, the words ending with letter x, we need to add es. For example, box, boxes. Now let us learn how to make plural forms of the words ending with o. For the words ending with o, you have to check the previous letter or maybe the previous sound. Okay? If the previous letter is a consonant, that is a sound of a consonant, you will add es to make it plural. Say for example, mosquito. The word mosquito ends with o and it has a letter t which is a consonant sound before o. So the plural form is mosquitoes, es. Now let us take another word. Say radio. The last letter is o and the second last letter is I. That is a vowel sound. So to make it plural, you just have to add s to it. radio. Just add s to make it plural. Radios. For the nouns ending with the letter y, you have to drop y and add ies. Say for example, cherry. Here you have to remove y and add ies. So the plural form of cherry, cherry, will be cherries, cherries. But here if the noun ends with ey, you just have to add s. Say donkey. The last two letters are ey. To make it plural, you just have to add s. Donkeys. The nouns ending with f or fe. To make such words plural, what you have to do is remove f or fe and add the suffix ves. For example, leaf. If you want to make the plural form of leaf, you will remove f and add ves. So the plural form of leaf is leaves. In the same way, the word knife ends with fe. We have to remove fe and add ves to make it plural. However, there are some exceptions to this rule. Say for example, giraffe. In spite of ending with FE, it takes S to make it plural. It doesn't take VES. Again, the word puff, puffs, dwarf, both the ways it is correct, dwarves and dwarfs. Hoof also, hooves and hoofs, both are correct. The plural form of a compound noun is formed by adding s as a suffix to or changing the head word of the compound noun. Say for example, mother-in-law, mothers-in-law. Boy in charge, boys in charge. We can make plural forms of numbers by adding s to it. Even the abbreviations, we can make plural by adding s. Now let us learn how to change singular nouns of foreign origin into plural. For the words ending with us, we have to remove us and add I to make it plural. Say for example, cactus. We have to drop us and add I. That is the plural form of cactus is cacti. Plural form of stimulus is stimuli. Nouns of foreign origin that end with is, we have to change is to es. Say for example, crisis. Change is to es. CRISIS. Change to CRISES to make it plural. Axis. AXIS. Singular. AXES. Plural. Nouns of foreign origin that ends with the letters UM. We have to drop UM and add A as a suffix. Say for example, curriculum. We have to drop UM and make the plural by adding A, curricula. Memorandum, memoranda. There are certain other things that we need to keep in mind. There are certain nouns that are always used singular. Say for example, furniture. It can be thought of as countable, but it doesn't have a plural form. Furniture has to be used as furniture only. Check-in baggage. To be used as it is. Evidence. Whatever be the number, we call it. Even uncountable concrete nouns do not have a plural form. Say for example, milk, tea, rice. They do not have plural forms. They are used as milk, cheese, rice, as it is. Even uncountable abstract nouns do not have a plural form. Say for example, courage, knowledge, darkness. Also, there are certain nouns that are always. Say for example, scissors. Even if it is one pair, we say scissors. Trousers. Even if it is one pair, we say trousers. Spectacles. Also, there are certain nouns that have the same singular and plural forms. Say for example, deer. Singular also deer, plural also deer. Hare, fish. There are certain nouns that are singular in form but plural in use. Say for example, cattle, people, police. They are more than one, but still it doesn't take s. Again, there are certain nouns that are plural in form but singular in use. Say for example, mathematics. It has the letter S at the end, but it is only one subject, singular. The Netherlands. The name itself has S in it, but then it is singular. News, same. We learnt nouns, number in this video. I hope this video is useful to you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.